Okay, so my name is Gabby. I'm from Brazil, you know, the country of happiness and love. Well, my country is hosting the FIFA World Cup this summer, what I think is pretty exciting for most of the people, and we're making a lot of changes. We're building stadiums, we're fixing roads and everything, so I think now it's pretty much a mess. I don't know. But I'm really excited to see how it's going to be when I come back, because I'm going to come back like in summer, so it's pretty much the same thing. We're hosting the next Summer Olympics too. It's pretty exciting, and it's going to make us have a lot of tourists there, and I'm excited for that. So, Brazil. Well, I'm from Curitiba. That is this one of the most beautiful cities that I've ever been. We have a lot of parks inside the city. We try to keep a clean environment. And my city is not that, how can I say it? Everybody thinks Brazil is like so warm and there's no rain, or sometimes there's rain but hot rain, you know, because it's just so warm, and we have monkeys and, you know, woods, but no. I mean, we do have that, but I live in the south of Brazil, and how can I say it, is like pretty much like Kansas City, with some trees and parks. I didn't saw parks in Kansas City yet, but I mean, they probably have parks. And it's pretty much like that. We have buildings and a bunch of malls, and we have that because, well, it rains a lot and it's cold a lot. Not cold like this that snows. It doesn't snow. I never saw snow. The last time that they had snow, they still talk about it. It was like little snow, like boom, like little things that snow, and they still talk about it until today. Like, oh, my grandma is like, I was alive and when it snowed here. And I'm like, good, fun. But yeah, it never snows, but it's pretty cold. I mean, we do Celsius. I think it can go like 1 degree Celsius. What else I can say? I love my country, and coming here just makes me love even more. I miss my country so bad. 3 months, I'm coming home. Yeah, that's it. So, well, Brazil. Are you gonna cut the video if I get stuck? Okay.